Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. So a very warm welcome from BBest Consultants. My name is Karam, and as you know that every time we are coming up with the best possible topics which can actually be of a lot of benefit to you. So today we're going to be talking about a university from UK which is a Russell Group University and which is known for the kind of courses which are being offered. So we would just want, Celeria to join us and see to it that, she can talk about the university in detail and so that you can know about it, that what all would be the kind of courses which can actually help you get through the jobs and further, the careers and everything. So I will just request Celeria, who's already there, to just come and join us for the live session. Guys, you all know that UK nowadays is offering you a PSW, and it is of great support to all of us, because previously it was not there and the students could not really go ahead with the jobs. Today the PSW helps the students, and whatever you've learned there in that specific university, you can further go on for an implementation, stay back, see to it that you can get the right kind of jobs and things can be working on. Celeria, can you kindly send a request so that I can take you there with me live? Can you please join, Celeria? Can you just send me a request, because I don't see the request happening there. So guys, Celeria is, the representative. She is the India rep for us for University of Liverpool. So we just gonna be, we're just waiting for her to come here. I think she's there with us. Celeria, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. You tell me what's happening.
I'm good as well, Karam. I'm trying to, join.
We lost you, Celeria. We can't hear you.
Give me a second.
Can you please face us and then talk to us? Will that be working for you?
I'm sorry, Karam. Come again.
I said, please face the video and talk to us, because the students are kind of waiting for you to talk about the university.
I'm joining from the lab.
You're not audible. You're breaking in between. We're just waiting for Celeria to come back. I think there is some network issue. As you know that, COVID wave is again picking up. So I would just request all of you to be safe and see to it that you take complete precautions, wear a mask and sanitize your hands now and then. So Liverpool, University of Liverpool is a Russell Group University. And the university ranks 143 in the world. And when it comes to the UK, it ranks 14th, which is a very great rank. It is known for a lot of courses, which I'm just waiting for Celeria to speak about it. So I think network, we can't be helping out. So Celeria has left. We just have to wait for her to join back. In this, we have a lot of programs which are there with placements. So in the meanwhile, what I can do is I can just read out the names of the courses which are there with placement, like Advanced Computer Science, which has a 1-year industry placement. Then we have Big Data and High Performance Computing, which again is there with a 1-year placement. Then we have Energy and Power Systems, which is also with the 1-year placement. Then we have Micro Electric Systems with a 1-year placement. Telecommunications and Wireless Systems, which again is with a 1-year placement. There are many other programs which one could be looking ahead for University of Liverpool, especially the MBA, because the MBA, it is ranked very high and it is also AMBA accredited. So in case if you're looking for an MBA in the top ranked universities, you can definitely bank on University of Liverpool. But we need a minimum 3 years of work experience in case if you're looking for an MBA there with University of Liverpool. We also have for the freshers, maybe not MBA, but we have Masters in Management, which is MIM, which one could be joining without work experience. The special program which we have there is Sports, Business and Management, which is again a Masters 1-year program. And then Liverpool is known for football. So I'm sure you can get a placement straight away into many companies, which can be, you know, like really great usage for you, especially the sports students. We also have International Business, which is again an MSc. Celeria, are you there? I mean, we're just waiting for you to come back. We wanted Celeria to be talking all this, but I think because the network is bad, so I'm just kind of reading out the programs to you so that, you know, we can get a detailed in view from Celeria once she joins us. So guys, BeBest is known for the kind of process what we do for you. We see to it that we are very unbiased. Whenever you come to BeBest, we do not shortlist the universities as per our connections. We see to it that the universities can be sorted out as per your profile. So whatever would be your requirement, your demand, we specifically shortlist universities for you guys and see to it that we can serve, you know, the best possible programs and the career options for you, which can further lead to, you know, the programs which can be job oriented. So there are many job, University of Liverpool basically has a lot of job placements, especially in terms of campus placements. They're very strong because they're connected to a lot of companies, and many students have been picked up, you know, like for many big companies. So I'm just waiting for Celeria. I'm really sorry, but I think that should be a great information for you, because University of Liverpool, as I already told you, is a Russell Group university, and it is one of the topmost universities known for the programs which I already spoke. It could be data sciences, it could be microelectronics, it could be sports management, it could be Masters in Management, MBA program, AMBA accredited. So we look forward that, you know, you guys can join University of Liverpool. Not only this, they also have a lot of scholarship programs which they are offering depending on the profile. Few scholarships are completely like bursary ridden, where if you are from India, you have a specific bursary which is being provided. So that's what is all about. Okay, I have a question here from Christian saying that what is the best university for MSc Management? MSc Management, there are many universities which are there. So depending on your profile, if you have, you know, the percentages are high, and then we can definitely see to it. You can look at Warwick, you can look at London School of Economics, you can look at Liverpool as well. We have many more universities, like Essex is doing really well. And at the same time, we also have universities like Edinburgh. We have Scott Plug universities. So there are many universities, Kishan. I think it will really be depending on the profile what you hold. If you talk about the ranking part, then it's a complete different scenario. But I don't think it is always possible to bank on the ranked universities, because if you do not have such a profile, your percentage is a little low, then it's a little difficult. Okay, if you've applied for University of Leicester, great. It's a good choice. I mean, not bad. But we have other universities also which you could be looking for. So you can just message me your complete profile, as in, do you have IELTS, you don't have IELTS, do you have work experience, because the universities would vary from one to another in case if it is so. So guys, we tried that we should be able to give you the insights of University of Liverpool, but I think there is some major issue with the university official. She could not join us. But you can always write back to us, because whatever was there in terms of the brief description about University of Liverpool, I've told you that the place where it is situated is awesome. Manchester is also very close by. So it is a place where a lot of part-time job opportunities also available. And especially for the sports guys, football lovers, I think that is the best place to be there. So please write back to us, and you know, you're welcome. And we will see to it that we sort out you know, the best possible choices, whatever we can give you as per your profile. I think sounds good, because you have an 8 years of work experience. You can even apply for University of Liverpool, because it stands 14th in terms of UK ranking, and otherwise 143. So we look forward for your profile. You can see the email ID which is written there in the details. Please write to us. We'll be waiting for your queries. Anything, please get back to us. Thank you so much, guys, and we are really sorry that the university officials could not be there with us due to the network issues. But no worries, we'll see to it that we keep coming back to you with the best possible programs and the details. Thank you so much, and keep writing to us. Take care. Be best is the best. We look forward to see you. Thank you so much.